Ever feel like your customer data is scattered all over the place? Maybe you've got spreadsheets here, notes scribbled there, and contacts living in a few different apps. It's a common challenge for growing service businesses, and it can really slow you down. Think about it. How much time do you waste searching for a customer's address, trying to remember the specifics of their last service, or manually re-entering information from one system to another? It's not just about the lost minutes. It's about the missed opportunities to provide exceptional service, build stronger customer relationships, and ultimately, grow your business. Imagine a world where all your valuable customer information lives in one central, organized hub. A place where you can instantly access service history, contact details, notes, and even attachments, all with a few clicks. That's the power of a platform like Housecall Pro, and today, we're going to unlock one of its most crucial features: importing your existing customer data. Whether you're just getting started with Housecall Pro or you're finally ready to consolidate your customer records, this video is for you. We'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and efficient transition so you can start leveraging the full potential of having all your customer information at your fingertips. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly touch on the why. Why is importing your customer data into Housecall Pro so important? Firstly, it saves you a tremendous amount of time and effort. Instead of manually entering hundreds or even thousands of customer records, you can import them all at once, freeing up your time to focus on what you do best: serving your customers. Secondly, it centralizes your information. Having everything in one place eliminates the risk of data silos, where crucial customer details are locked away in different systems or even physical files. This unified view allows for better organization, improved communication within your team, and a more holistic understanding of your customer base. Thirdly, it enhances your customer service. With instant access to a customer's history, preferences, and past interactions, you can provide more personalized and efficient service. Imagine answering a customer's call and immediately knowing their service history, allowing you to address their needs more effectively. Finally, it lays the foundation for leveraging other powerful Housecall Pro features. Once your customer data is in place, you can seamlessly schedule appointments, send invoices, manage payments, and even automate marketing efforts, all within the same platform. So, are you ready to say goodbye to scattered spreadsheets and hello to streamlined customer management? Let's get started with the import process. The first thing you'll need is your customer data organized in a compatible file format. Housecall Pro primarily accepts CSV, comma-separated values, files. This is a common and widely supported format that allows you to easily export data from most spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Take a moment to review your existing data. Ensure that the information is accurate, up-to-date, and consistently formatted. This will make the import process much smoother. Consider which fields you want to import. Common fields include customer name, contact information, phone number, email address, company name, if applicable, notes or special instructions, service history. If you want to import past service details, this might require a more complex data structure. Once your data is cleaned up and organized in your spreadsheet, you'll need to save it as a CSV file. In Excel, you would go to File, Save As, and choose CSV, delimited, star.csv as the file format. In Google Sheets, go to File, Download, and select comma-separated values.csv. Now that you have your CSV file ready, let's head over to your Housecall Pro account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Customers section. You'll typically find this in the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Within the Customers section, look for an Import button. The exact location might vary slightly depending on updates to the platform, but it's usually prominently displayed. Click on this Import button. You'll now be presented with options for importing your data. Housecall Pro will likely guide you through a step-by-step process. The first step will usually involve uploading your CSV file. Click on the Choose File or a similar button and select the CSV file you saved earlier from your computer. Once your file is uploaded, the next crucial step is mapping your data fields to the corresponding fields in Housecall Pro. This is where you tell Housecall Pro which column in your CSV file corresponds to which customer information field in the platform. You'll likely see a table or a series of drop-down menus. On one side, you'll see the column headers from your CSV file. On the other side, you'll see the available customer fields in Housecall Pro, e.g., first name, last name, phone, email, address line 1, etc. Carefully match each column from your CSV file to the appropriate Housecall Pro field. For example, if you have a column labeled customer full name in your CSV, you might need to map it to both the first name and last name fields in Housecall Pro, or Housecall Pro might offer an option to automatically split the full name. Pay close attention to the formatting requirements for each field. If you have columns in your CSV file that don't have a direct equivalent in Housecall Pro, you might be able to map them to a general notes field or create custom fields within Housecall Pro before importing. This allows you to bring over as much relevant information as possible. Take your time during this mapping process. Accurate mapping is essential for ensuring that your data is imported correctly. A mistake here could lead to incorrect information being associated with your customer profiles. After you've finished mapping your fields, Housecall Pro will likely give you a preview of how your data will be imported. Review this preview carefully to ensure everything looks correct. Check for any misalignments or errors. Once you're satisfied with the preview, you can proceed with the import. Click on the Import or Submit button. The import process may take a few moments, depending on the size of your data file. Housecall Pro will usually notify you once the import is complete. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.